What up, YouTube? Survivalist News. This one should be easy for all you factory workers. Okay, have you ever worked in a factory 8, 12 hours a day, at least 5, if not 7 days a week, wearing your safety glasses, working through dirt, actually getting hit in the face with stuff, hitting your shins on everything, getting splinters, stuff stuck in your eye if you don't wear your PPE? Has it ever happened to you? Or somebody you know? I'm sure it has. And I'm sure a lot more people have accounts of the story or the description of what I just told than people that know somebody that has the coronavirus. But that's just all speculation. But let's get into the main topic of this. Okay, so you've worked in a factory, you have your safety glasses on. We'll use my experience as an example. I've worked factory life for 10 years. I've got 6 years of experience in food manufacturing, food safety, food cleaning. I'm certified in all kinds of chemical training, cleaning techniques, food grade cleaning techniques, everything. I currently work at a bottling industry, but it's for bottle caps for milk and water. So we're an essential industry. So we're gonna, stay open so I get to keep my job for this moment. So anyway, we'll look at this here on Twitter. Some of Italian nurses and doctors after long hours of work in intensive care. And I guess this is what the safety glasses have been doing to them. I've worked 7 days a week for 8 months straight. Well, no. Let me be straight up honest. At least 6 days a week for 8 months straight, with some Sundays off, but very sparingly. We'll say that. Safety glasses, even the safety glasses with the straps on the back, like this fella has right here, even some of those, it digs into your face. This is an intense cleaning environment with water, chemicals, heat, everything go into, and I never walked out nowhere near this. I mean, I've had this before in my life, a little bit of redness and then indentions on the forehead, across the nose, nowhere near like this. So what? Are the patients punching them in the face right here, and on the bridge of the nose? Socked them up there real quick. Is that what happened? The same thing happened to her. She get kicked right across the face right here, right across the bridge of the nose, and it fucked all her shit up. And then down here on her mouth too. I don't know how that got bruised, but but that must have been bad. Poor girl. And then that looks like a hairnet line. Lord mercy. I've had many of those hairnet lines in the food industry. 12 hours a day, 110-degree heat inside, around ovens. Ovens that can fit hundreds of thousands of fucking chips in them at once. It's just, it's incredible. Not counting the fryers and everything that releases the heat. Not caring about the safety of the workers. Then you got people passing out from the heat and everything. That don't matter. But look, you got this, which is an everyday occurrence for some people. Not to this extreme, which makes me think this is straight up bullshit and this is planted. This doesn't happen. If you've worked in a manufacturing environment and a manufacturing setting, I mean, in intense settings like those all across the country, all across the world, 12 hours a day, at least 6 days a week, you will know that this doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. I mean, their skin must not be used to it. Something's going on with this. They're pushing it in, making those indentions all for camera purposes. I don't know what's going on, but this isn't normal at all, which leads you to think it's bullcrap. There's no way unless these doctors and nurses are being punched in the face that this can happen even with safety glasses on. It doesn't make any sense. It makes no sense at all. But I'll leave you with that. Hope you have a great day, YouTube. And I'm out. See you later.